Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is Danish Creator. We are back with a brand new unboxing. Today's package. I know what this is, but I don't know what's in this pink package. But I'm going to show you guys this one first. Okay, so these are compression socks. These are like a 3-pack. The current colors that they had were gray, navy blue, black, and white. I couldn't get the white ones, so I got the other 3 colors. This is the navy blue. It comes with this little thing to keep them together, like in the packaging. It's actually pretty good. Then we got black. I might just wear the black ones because I kind of like these. Just something to keep, I guess, this little metal piece. Something to keep them together. It's actually innovative and pretty cool. And then the last pair are the gray. I think the ones are at the bottom. So I kind of like the fact that these are actually exactly like I saw in the picture. No tears, no holes, and these look pretty durable. So 10 out of 10 for these. The next is this pink bag. Like I said, I don't know what's in it, and I'm gonna be careful because I felt something soft. And I'm just gonna cut off the top. Oh, this is the travel thing I won from Tophatter. I thought it came with a strap. It's like what you put your cosmetics in, I guess. I don't know. This is like a 3 out of 10. I don't like how small it is. I thought it would be much bigger, and I thought it would have a strap. But that's pretty much it. The reason why I got the compression socks is I got new shoes, and I'm thinking about like creating outfits with these. And one of these pairs I'm going to be wearing for my Halloween costume that has already been completed like a long time ago. And these came in right on time because I've been needing like new pairs of socks lately. Like I have not had like a good pair of socks in a while. So this came in right on time. I think my favorite one are the black ones. The gray ones are cool too. The navy ones are alright, but I like the black ones because I like how it's like a positive negative thing. It's like black at the top and white at the bottom. And these are compression socks, which are good for like those who are like on their feet all the time. And these came from Label. And the bag, I could do without the bag. I have enough bags already, but it was okay. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And share the video and share free stuff. This video is officially a part of my damage review playlist. Meaning that I will be adding this to my damage review playlist. And things like that. And let's clean up today. Let's clean up especially from the last unboxing. But I will see you all next time. Bye!